Hello. In today's video, we shall learn in detail about Whittaker's five-kingdom classification of organisms. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. Let us start with the introduction to five-kingdom classification. The five-kingdom classification of organisms was proposed by R. H. Whittaker in the year 1969. Organisms were broadly divided into kingdoms based on complexity of cell structure, whether prokaryotic or eukaryotic, complexity of organism's body, whether unicellular or multicellular, mode of nutrition, whether autotrophic or heterotrophic, phylogenetic relationship. Phylogeny is the evolutionary history of an organism. According to Whittaker, the five kingdoms are kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. Let us try to understand Whittaker's five-kingdom classification with the help of a flowchart. Organisms are broadly classified into prokaryotes with not well-defined nucleus and eukaryotes with well-defined nucleus. Kingdom Monera comes under prokaryotes and includes prokaryotic bacteria and cyanobacteria. The eukaryotes can be further divided into unicellular and multicellular organisms. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. Multicellular organisms may or may not possess cell wall. Kingdom Fungi possess cell wall but are non-green and do not perform photosynthesis, while kingdom Plantae have cell wall, are green and perform photosynthesis. Multicellular animals without cell wall are placed in the kingdom Animalia. The major levels of classification are domain, kingdom, phylum for animals, division for plants, class, order, family, genus, and species. The basic unit of classification is species. By the way, if you are getting some value out of this video, please like and share the video so that all of us can learn, unlearn, and relearn together. Also, please consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of all the upcoming videos. Now, let us learn about each kingdom in detail. Kingdom Monera. Monerans are most abundant of all living cellular organisms. They are omnipresent. All monerans are prokaryotic in nature. Nucleus is not well defined. The genetic material is a circular, double-stranded, helical deoxyribonucleic acid not bounded by a nuclear membrane. They are microscopic, unicellular, and lack cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. 70S ribosomes and simple chromatophores are the only subcellular organelles in the cytoplasm. Cell wall is rigid and made up of peptidoglycan. Moneurons show different modes of nutrition. They may be autotrophic, that is, synthesize their own food by photosynthesis, or may be heterotrophic, that is, they cannot synthesize their own food and get their organic food from the environment. Autotrophic nutrition can occur by chemosynthesis or photosynthesis. Heterotrophic nutrition are of different kinds. Saprotrophic, feeding on dead organic substances. Parasitic, living on other living organisms to absorb nutrients from their host, or they may be symbiotic, mutual relationship with other organisms. Reproduction in moneurons is by binary fission or budding. Moneurons have been divided into two domains. Archaeobacteria, example methanogens, halophils, thermoacidophils, and eubacteria or true bacteria. Let us take up the next kingdom, namely kingdom Protista. Protists are single-celled organism, eukaryotic, with a well-defined nucleus. The genetic material is linear, double-stranded, helical DNA complexed with proteins. They are mostly aquatic. The cytoplasm contains membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ATS ribosomes, etc. The organisms may possess pseudopodia, cilia, or flagella for locomotion. Nutrition may be photosynthetic, holotrophic, saprotrophic, or parasitic. Reproduction occurs by asexual or sexual methods. Asexual method may be by binary fission, multiple fission, budding, or by spore formation. The three major groups of unicellular protists are the protistin algae, example diatoms, euglena, slime mold, example Physarum, protozoan protists, example amoeba, paramecium. Next, we shall learn about kingdom fungi. Organisms belonging to kingdom fungi are generally multicellular except yeast cell, which is unicellular. They are eukaryotes and lack chlorophyll. Fungi consists of long thread-like filamentous structure called hyphae. Several hyphae together form a mesh-like structure called mycelium. Cell wall is generally made up of chitin. Mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. It may be saprophytic like Rhizopus, Penicillium, parasitic like Puccinia, or symbiotic like lichen. Reserve food is in the form of glycogen and oil globules. Fungi show various modes of reproduction, namely vegetative reproduction by budding, fission, fragmentation, asexual reproduction by spores called conidia, zoospores or sporangiospores, sexual reproduction by ascospores, basidiospores, oospores. Fungi play a major role in recycling the dead and decaying matter. Some fungi are edible, example button mushroom, while some of them are of medicinal value, example Penicillium notatum. We have already learnt about kingdom fungi in detail in our previous video. I will leave a link of that video and please watch it if you haven't already so that you can get a clear understanding of reproduction in fungi. Next, we shall learn about kingdom Plantae. Multicellular, eukaryotes, autotrophic plants which use chlorophyll for photosynthesis are placed in kingdom Plantae. The reserve food material is starch and fat. Plants are producers of food in the biosphere. Kingdom Plantae can be further classified into 5 divisions, namely Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Let us learn the classification with the help of a flowchart. Kingdom Plantae can be broadly classified into plant body not well defined, division Thallophyta, example algae, fungi. Plant body is defined and may or may not show the presence of vascular tissue, namely xylem and phloem. When vascular tissue is absent, the plant is placed under division Bryophyta, example moss, liverworts, and plants in which the vascular tissue is present, the plant may or may not produce seeds. Plants that do not produce seeds are placed under division Pteridophyta, example ferns. Plants that produce naked seeds are grouped in division Gymnosperms, example Cycas pinus, and plants in which the seeds are present inside fruits belong to division Angiosperms, example mango, apple. Next, we shall learn about kingdom Animalia. Organisms under kingdom Animalia are multicellular, eukaryotes without chlorophyll. They lack cell wall and plastids. Most animals have organ system level of organization. Nutrition is typically holozoic. Reproduction is generally sexual and haploid gametes are formed. Animals show high level of diversity. Kingdom Animalia is divided into many phyla like Porifera, Arthropoda, Chordata, etc. Finally, we shall summarize the salient features of 5 kingdom classification. Kingdom Monera, cell type prokaryotic, cell organization unicellular, cell wall present, mode of nutrition may be phototrophic or heterotrophic. Next kingdom Protista, cell type eukaryotic, cell organization unicellular, cell wall may be present or may be absent. Mode of nutrition may be phototrophic or heterotrophic. Kingdom fungi. Cell type eukaryotic. Cell organization may be multicellular or unicellular. Cell wall present. Mode of nutrition always heterotrophic. Kingdom plantae. Cell type eukaryotic. Cell organization multicellular. Cell wall present. Mode of nutrition autotrophic. And finally, kingdom Animalia. Cell type eukaryotic. Cell organization multicellular. Cell wall absent. Mode of nutrition heterotrophic. So today we have learnt in detail about Whittaker's 5-kingdom classification. I have some practice questions for you. Please share your answers in the comment section below. You can pause the video and write down the questions if you like. Thank you so much for your time and participation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of all the upcoming videos. Also, if you want to discuss any particular topic in biology, please mention that in the comments section below. I'll see you there. Goodbye. All the best.